Right, we're at the beach now. This is where Bensei's going to either regret doing this. See, you had it perfect before you even did it. Alright, it's perfect. Don't even try and put that on there. No, Bensei is going to fall. He's done it. He's done it. He's done it.
Sponsor for today.
Oh yeah, sponsor by Lucozade. Go and sponsor them. No. I told you it won't work, did I?
It worked.
It worked for like about 10 seconds.
It's the perfect now. It's even better now.
It's even better. It's even better. Just me and Bensei. Ali has a pathetic reason why he's not here, and so does Matt. So they're not here to watch the fireworks. What do you think of that situation of Ali and Matt?
Bullshitting.
Exactly. They are bullshitting. By the way, I don't have my light out, so I'm not actually. You can't see me that perfect, but all well.
You fucking wanker.
Okay. Navy ship is all the way out there. Seeing some weird lights out at sea. You know. Random star up in the sky somewhere. Up there, there's a star. Bournemouth Pier chilling all the way over there. London Eye fake thing over there. Some concert stuff over there. Some music band is there in the red. That's where me and Matt are going to be singing our first concert. Bensei's bike is chilling there. We're chilling here. Waiting for the fireworks. We're waiting for the fireworks, and the fireworks will be pretty chill.
Try to turn on your favourite music. The Roadman music.
Go on, go on. Turn my favourite stuff on. Oh, there's lights over there. Woo! But yeah, so this is a continuation of last night's video.
I had to.
Perfect, isn't it? Oh, I'm really falling over. By the way, wearing nice shoes and sand
This is so shit.
ain't good.
Nah, it's fucking shit. I'm fucking turning that shit off. That's embarrassing.
But we're waiting for the fireworks.
Embarrassing.
That is quite embarrassing. We're waiting for the fireworks. They're coming in like 10 minutes. Yeah. So it's going to be pretty chill. They're coming from over there somewhere. Going to be vlogging it for you guys. So yeah. By the way,
that's going to be a long ass vlog though.
Today is all about the long ass vlogs. Tomorrow is all about the long ass vlogs. Day after that, when Matt is hopefully alive on Sunday, if he comes down with me, it will be a long ass vlog. There will be lots of long vlogs coming soon. But yeah, this is what you have to do with life. You've got to chill. You're chilling one of your friends, because the other two are cancelled. Chilling with music, waiting for fireworks. They're coming at 10, and then yeah, it's going to be pretty chill.
Baby, why can't you sleep?